What is going on, you guys? As you guys can see, it is time for an oil change. I'm getting ready to run to AutoZone, pick up some oil, and then we're gonna head to Sean's today. Not really just for him to assist me, more of we're just gonna hang out and bullshit how we usually do. We're gonna grab me some more vape juice too, and 2 new coils. Oh yeah. Yep. I'm also due for a front and rear diff fluid change as well, but I couldn't make it in time to the Subaru dealership to pick up that, and I'm gonna wait till Monday, swing back up there, pick up the fluid, and I'll probably do it next weekend. Couple new mods coming in as well. I'm super excited. Woo! More rice, more nice. Yeah. But stay tuned for that, because that's coming too. But let's go to AutoZone. Oh yeah, we got the goodies. 5 quarts of this. Subaru does call for 5.1 quarts, but I have an extra one from the last oil change that I will change. Bam bam, cabin air filter. Been in there vape juicing so much, this thing's probably polluted. Went ahead and picked one up. I'm gonna change that out as well. And then the oil filter. I know this is not top of the line stuff, but I think it'll do the job. Oh yeah. Ooh, thank you. You're the best.
It's Salt Nick.
What is this?
Yeah.
This is Salt Nick time? Oh yeah. This for Salt Nicks. Alright, cool.
Where are you going?
Because I'm about to go over there and pick up some new juice anyways. Yeah, I'm about to go over there and grab me fruity instead.
I want a fruity one.
You want a fruity one? I ain't got no money right now, so I'll let you later.
You got paid yesterday.
No, I didn't.
I got paid yesterday.
You did?
Paid the same week.
Oh man. Damn. Oh yeah. Shout out to Tara on the new pods. Woo-wee. Yeah, can I get a fish burrito?
Is there anything else?
No, that'll be it.
All right, thank you.
Ooh, you guys never ate a fish burrito from Alejandro's? Y'all missing out. Oh my goodness. Make sure that the food stays secure as well, because this is also very important. I live like 5 minutes away from Sean, and I literally called him like, I want to say 30 minutes ago. I was like, hey bro, I'm about to be outside. He's probably like, dude, where the f you at? No more pit stops, Sean. I'm coming right now, man. Waiting on Sean to escort me in. In the meantime, ooh, fish burrito time. It's burrito time, home. They only gave me 2 sauces, man. Y'all can't be skipping on the sauces like that, yo. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, let me, ooh. This is how you guys eat a burrito. Before each bite, I've already taken 2, and I already violated the way to eat it. But red sauce in, right on top. Ba-bam, 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 bam, 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 bam. Woo! The red sauce all over that. Every bite, remember that. Then you take a bite. Yeah, buddy, we just made it to Sean's. He's got Lucas with him. You know what I had to bring. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, America. As soon as you open this door, it just screams bald eagles. Ooh, look at Blue.
No, Blue.
Yeah.
I don't trust him.
Yeah, get him back, get him back, get him back. I'm not chasing him, bro. I got a burrito to eat. Before we proceed with the oil change, I got to handle the Mr. Burrito. That sounded kind of gay, but it's all right. All right, here is the star of the show for today. Enough from the sushi. Japanese. Oh yeah. We've got motors from all across this. We got 4 bangers, inline 6s, V6s.
Inline 6s.
Oh, America. Yeah, we got that too. We're gonna go ahead and get this car in the air. I'm gonna drain the oil. We're gonna do oil change. I also got a cabin air filter we're gonna put in here today too. So. Alright guys, we finished up with the oil change. Now we're about to get ready to install this new cabin air filter. 16 bucks from Amazon. Yeah buddy, when you vape too much you might dilute and you might pollute the cabin air filter. You might want to change it out after each pod you smoke, or depending on how much nic you have in your nic juice as well. But to change it, you want to open the glove box, pop this little dampener out, bam bam, shajam. Alright, and now I don't know how to do the rest. Good. After you guys remove this little dampening right here, you want to push in on your glove box, pop that side out. Do the same for the left side, and then it should just come right out. Booyah! Viagra.
Yep, the entire thing should pop out. Yep. There you go. There you go. It's dirty. Let's compare. Let's compare. That's what it should look like.
This is a 37,000 mile comparison.
Wow.
Dusty, clean.
Hell yeah, brother.
All right. To complete the install, you shove it right back in, boys. Make sure it says push up. That means that this side's up. Bam. You pop that bad boy right back in there. Yep, she's in. Double check. Put a little more pressure on her. Oh yeah. If a dumbass like me can do that, you guys can too. Alright. That will complete the 2 car things I had to do today. And there you guys have it, man. All the maintenance done to the vehicle already, except for front and rear diff fluid change. That's probably coming in about 3 or 4 more days when the Subaru dealership opens up. All right, there you guys go. Oil change completed. Cabin air filter change has been complete. Next will be the front and rear diff fluid change. I'm waiting on the Subaru dealership, the parts department to open up on Monday. I'm gonna swing by there after work, pick up the fluid that I need, and I'm gonna get the video of that change here coming soon. Thank you guys for checking out. If you guys have stayed this long, you guys are amazing. please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace.